Hi there, Robin here, and today we've got the Amazon Basic USB keyboard. Very straightforward. I've had this one now several years. It works really well and nothing much to complain about. The keys work very nice. It's got a slight tilt to it. There's no additional, extensions on the bottom. It does have rubber pads on it, so when you do put it down, it stays right where you put it. That's important. And for me, I use it, of course, so I can plug it into a laptop, and instead of looking over at the laptop, I can still stare straight into the camera, which makes people feel more comfortable. It allows me to look at a secondary screen, which I have just off camera, and it allows me to use the system as I need be. I used to have this a part of a display setup, and lots of people bashed away at this keyboard. But as a keyboard goes, it's the one that gets bashed around a lot. It's just a regular keyboard. It still does everything. Number pad. It's got, the calculator and the volume up, volume down, mute buttons. It's got all the straightforward, playing around with your music stuff, functions. It's all there. And at the end of the day, with the rubber feet at the bottom and the fact that it's USB and I don't have to worry about misplacing a dongle, which happens all the time, you don't have to worry about it. It just works. So there you go. If you're looking for a basic keyboard that needs to be USB so you can plug it into anything and everything and just have a keyboard work like that, the Amazon Basic Keyboard will do the job for you. Hope this video was helpful. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Keyboard.